Welcome to my studio. I'm Matthew Harvey, and today I'll be drawing Annie Lennox from her days with the Eurythmics. As a bonus, just keep watching for one of my art tips. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell to keep up to date with my latest videos. When any of your pencils have reduced down to a small size and don't feel comfortable in the hand, then one of these pencil extenders come in useful. One thing I found is that some brands of pencil don't seem to fit. Try removing the bezel, place the pencil into the handle, put it all back together and adjust to your preferred length. Thank you for joining me today. If you haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe, don't forget the notification bell so you keep up to date with my latest videos. Leave a comment below if you found my art tip helpful, and stick around to check out some of my other videos here.